Welcome to Spaceflight Daily for Thursday, the 6th of August 2026. Aboard the International Space Station today, NASA astronauts Jessica Meir and Anil Menon conducted US Spacewalk 96 to modify one of the station's power channels and prepare it for the installation of a new solar array. They installed the mod kit successfully, as well as performing some other maintenance on bolts and footholds outside the station. The EVA began at 33 minutes past noon UTC and lasted a total of 6 hours and 27 minutes, concluding at 1900 UTC. They were supported during airlock procedures by fellow crew Jack Hathaway and Sophie Adano, with Japanese astronaut Aki Hoshide and Canadian astronaut Stephanie Wilson on comms from the ground in Houston. This was Jessica Meir's 6th spacewalk, bringing her up to 42 hours of EVA, and Anil Menon's 1st spacewalk. It was the 281st spacewalk from the International Space Station overall. The Korea Pathfinder lunar orbiter, also called Danori, today captured the first images of the new crater formed on the moon by yesterday's impact of a leftover Falcon 9 second stage, having maneuvered into an orbit that took it over the site both before and after the collision. Danori is South Korea's first lunar mission, itself launched on a Falcon 9 back in 2022. NASA and Katalyst Space have succeeded in stabilizing the Link spacecraft, which was left in an uncontrolled spin after its reaction wheels and thrusters malfunctioned. The plan now is to send the craft a software update to enable it to maneuver while accounting for the malfunctions. Then it will attempt to rendezvous with the Neil Gehrels Swift Observatory and complete its mission to rescue the Space Telescope by boosting it to a higher orbit. There was one launch today of a RocketLab Electron from Meir in New Zealand at 9:18 UTC or 21:18 local time. This was the second launch attempt of a mission called The Grain Goddess Provides, with the first attempt aborted on the pad back in June. It carried iQPS SAR-13, a synthetic aperture radar satellite forming part of an Earth observation constellation operated by the Japanese company iQPS. This was the 92nd flight of Electron. That's all for today. Please like the video and subscribe for daily spaceflight updates. See you tomorrow.